When you think of a laboratory, an image of technicians, lab coats, and experiments typically comes to mind. However, this is immediately followed by one of the most critical components of a laboratory: chemicals. As you operate in and out of a laboratory, you will be exposed to a variety of chemicals, substances, and mixtures. These can be present not only during experiments, but also stored and transported throughout the laboratory. Each of these chemicals have unique properties and, more importantly, unique potential hazards that can make them a risk to not only yourself, but to your coworkers and even the public at large. How can you understand the types of chemical hazards present in your workplace? How do you know the risks and hazards associated with them? What are the procedures you need in place to protect during their use and transport? Welcome to the Hazard Communications for Laboratories Safety Training. During this course, we will cover the following learning objectives. What is hazard communications? The globally harmonized system. Safety data sheets. The chemical hygiene plan. Labeling and other forms of warning. Chemical storage and transfer.